तटरक्षक दळा खातीर गोंय शिपयार्डान बांदिल्ल्या जहाजाचें उक्तावण आनी नांव दिवपाचो कार्यक्रम बेरेस्तारा रक्षा मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनाच्या हस्तुकीं गोंय शिपयार्डान जालो. मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार देशाचो रक्षा मंत्री जालो तेन्ना गोंय शिपयार्डाक तटरक्षक दळा खातीर 5 जहाज बांदपाचें काम दिल्लें. तातूंतल्या पयल्या जहाजाचें उक्तावण बेरेस्तारा जालें. गोंय शिपयार्डाचें काम बरें आसा. तांणी ह्यान फुडें बरें काम करचें तशेंच शिपयार्डाच्या आस्थापनान हाचो फायदो घेवन अंतरराष्ट्रीय मळाचेर सर्तीन देंवपा खातीर मुखार सरचें अशें रक्षा मंत्री सीतारामन उलयली.
You have a history of performance in exports. I wish the management now also gets competitive to say that not just the Indian captive market of the 3 armed forces and constantly keep asking MOD to, in a tone that is not becoming of a shipyard of this stature, a shipyard of this quality, a shipyard which repeatedly has proven that it can function much better than some of the private shipyards. You should now be able to have that confidence, that self-confidence to stand up and say, I know there's a market which exists in X country or Y country. Can Government of India now get going with getting us the orders from there? Help us to go and do that. That should be the tone and temperament rather than proving yourself qualitatively, proving yourself competitively in terms of pricing and quality, and after that saying, order books, can the MOD give us something? Oh no, you're capable of producing more, you're capable of doing better, you're capable of standing up and proving yourself. So please, put on that attitude. Put on that attitude. I request the management, put on that attitude to say, we are capable of competing globally, we want those markets, help us to do that. I hope this message reaches the management of... There should be a blueprint made from the Goa shipyard on behalf of Goa shipyard itself and also of all other shipyards in India, their capacity and so on. Be the leader, come out, tell us what we have to do from the ministry. Your workers deserve more from you rather than just every now and then coming and pleading with the MOD. They're doing their best. They're contributing their might. They're improving their skills. They're delivering well ahead of schedule. And for that, the credit doesn't have to go to the management. It goes entirely to the workers. With such a wonderful backing, with such a wonderful cooperative environment which prevails in Goa shipyard, shouldn't you come out now with a plan to say, all right, we'll take care of everything in time for the requirement of Coast Guard, for the requirement of Navy, but we'll work towards moving up. Our capacities are this, we can sell it so and so. Come with a scheme, I'll be fully with you, and I'm sure we'll be able to achieve together this kind of a, perspective planning, a futuristic vision for the shipyard, particularly the Goa shipyard.